I made an AI capable of giving out stage directions. Now, most AI shows are only dialogue oriented. However, this AI has support for stage directions for moving characters into certain places, changing stages, and whatever else you can imagine. Now, how did I make this? Well, it's pretty simple. It's just like any other AI show, but we just have a little prompt for stage directions. And I don't have a lot of time to edit this video, so instead I'll be showing a demo from within Unity itself. And if you want to mess around with this AI, you can, because it is open source. Link in the description. So this is the AI. As we can see, we have a basic scene. We have our very important stage directions object, which contains every single stage direction. Then, let's just start this. Let's see what it comes up with. For our topic, we have Rick and Morty Go to Space, because it accurately tests stage changes. As we can see, the AI has decided that Rick should move over here. And it decided, something shouldn't happen here. And now we're in space. It's pretty simple. I haven't added a lot of stage directions because this is meant to be a simple prototype. Now, you're probably wondering how do stage directions even work? Well, it's pretty simple. Every single stage direction comes from this class. A simple class with a name and an execute function. And whenever we want to change a stage, here, our execute function looks through every location, which is from utils, which is basically utilities that you can use, like the current character that's talking or locations. Just useful stuff. Move character, it just moves a character. All pretty simple stuff. And then we have our manager class, which I don't know why I split that into a separate window. Which in this case goes through each stage direction by splitting it into certain parts, and then it just executes them. And here is the prompt. This is what makes AI generate. It's a huge prompt, and in the description of the video, I'll have it on paste bin, so you can easily copy and paste it into your own projects. Because to be honest, copying this from the video would be hell. And overall, that's how the AI works. It's a super basic AI. However, it's a very powerful AI that you can expand on to do whatever you want. So you got full-on AI show episodes. Well, that's it for this video. Hope you have a great day. I'll see you in my next video, live stream, or devlog. Peace.